Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold jari work. A very beautiful color saree, traditional and excellent color combination, ultimate contrast. A violet color, pink and magenta pink, purple mixed color, and we have beautiful gold jari work, big buttas, elegantly handcrafted work with 4 inches jari border in both sides, and we also have a thin green border. The pallu is completely contrast green, very elegant one, perfect exact green with plain blouse piece in pallu color. The borders are running in the blouse piece as well. The combination is beautiful, an ultimate combo with authentic segment. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, the border and butta collection in gold zari work. An excellent pastel color saree here with a beautiful pallu, contrast one, light lavender. Lavender is the most demanded one. Very beautiful color. The buttas are also beautifully done using gold jari, completely handcrafted work, and visibly see the work with a 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree with a thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a dual tone here, bright orange mixed with mild pink. Orange is prominent. You can see the zigzag design vertically done in the gold zari with plain blouse piece. The combination is very pretty, beautiful color for the pastel lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful border and butta collection in gold jari work. Elegant combination here. Light radiant green color. Excellent color. With a very beautiful buttas, gold jari buttas. Completely handcrafted with a 4 inches jari border in both sides of the saree with a thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a dark brown color, maroonish brown with beautiful mango design, completely done using gold jari. And we have pallu color plain blouse piece in saree also. Combination is pretty with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful border and butta collection in gold jari weaving. Very elegant Ananda blue color saree, attractive Ananda blue, a traditional combo, blue into green with very elegant hand weaving buttas, completely gold jari used here with 4 inches zari border in both sides, with thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a bright dark bottle green color. Gold zari work is dazzling on the bottle green base with same bottle green blouse piece. The combination is very different with authentic segment. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, very beautiful border and butta collection in gold jari work. Excellent color saree here. Beautiful grey saree with gold jari work, completely handmade, beautiful collection. And here we have a beautiful border design, gold jari as well as pallu color border is given, each in same length. And we have an excellent pallu here, almost a Prussian blue, very bright and beautiful color with excellent gold jari work in the pallu. Same way, the blouse piece is also done in the same pallu color. The border is also given as in saree. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. The border and butta collection. Very beautiful dark color combination here. A bottle green, dark green mixed with black to get a beautiful dark bottle green color. The traditional ever demanded color with beautiful peacock design buttas. Completely handcrafted, beautiful saree here with a 3-inch zari border here. We have a thin border in pallu color. Pallu is Ananda blue, dark Ananda blue with very elegant peacock design in the pallu also. Gold zari used for the weaving, and we have pallu color plain blouse piece. The combination is different. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a border and butta collection in gold zari work. Very beautiful combination colors. Here we have a dual tone color, blue mixed with mild green. Green is very mildly visible, almost blue with very elegant light green titch. And we have a very beautiful buttas, border butta design. Gold zari used for the buttas also. And we have a 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree along with a thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a very beautiful maroon here, brownish maroon with beautiful work in the pallu design. And we have same pallu color blouse piece. The combination is beautiful Excellent traditional combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold zari work. A very beautiful pastel shade saree here. A light pastel gold color almost. Light brown and half white mixed. Beautiful color, almost a pale gold color with gold zari buttas. Traditional beautiful butta design. Completely hand weaved, excellent saree with 4 inches zari border and a thin border in pallu color. In pallu is a different blue here. Blue color, excellent color, very different one. And we have different butta design in the pallu also. Completely gold zari weaved one with plain blouse piece in pallu color. The combination is very different. A different combination, exclusive color saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful border and butta collection in gold zari work. Excellent color combination here. Dark versus pastel. Beautiful violet saree. Pink into black, mild black mixed pink it is. Very beautiful color. Violet almost with elegant flower design buttas, a sunflower design. We also have 4 inches border in both sides of the saree with thin border in pallu color, and pallu is a very beautiful half white here, sandal half white, almost light gold color. On it the gold zari work is done and it's a diagonal type design in the pallu with same pallu color blouse piece. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Very beautiful Pochambali design saree. One side border is Pochambali. Border butta collection. Butta is in gold zari here. Fine light color, pastel shade, pink and peach mix color. Very beautiful light peachy pink color with zari border on the top. That is the gold zari border. And the lower part is completely a Pochambali printed border. It's bar printed. You can see the beautiful Pochambali typical design. The butterfly and the peacock. We have contrast pallu here, a royal blue with very beautiful fine zari weaving, and we have the pallu color plain blouse piece. The blouse piece also have one side Pochambali border and the other side in the zari border. Excellent color combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold zari work. A very beautiful combination saree here. Violet color saree almost, purple violet mix, mild pink shade on the purple, very elegant one with the buttas, very different design buttas, new launch, excellently handcrafted one with 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree along with a thin border in pallu color, and to that we have a dark Ananda blue color combination for the pallu. Pallu have beautiful work with same pallu color blouse piece. Combination is very beautiful, both in dark shade colors with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a beautiful butta and border collection with an excellent color combo. Here we have a very excellent dark green color pallu with the big butta design in the pallu using gold zari. Same pallu color blouse piece, the borders running in the blouse piece as well, with a beautiful dual tone color in the body, orange and pink mix. You can see both the pink as well as orange glow on the saree. Beautiful goldish color with the gold zari butta, square shape, elegantly weaved one with a green border as well as a zari border in both sides. Beautiful combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful border butta collection, very different type border. Here we have a very excellent combination, really attractive and very exclusive piece. Green pallu, big buttas in the pallu, very decent, beautiful design with gold zari, and we have same color blouse piece with the zari border, only the gold zari border running in the blouse piece, and we have a dark coffee brown color saree, beautiful color, and you can see the butta designs, square shaped buttas that is done very detailedly horizontal pattern, kanji type butta, very beautiful one with the green border as well as a gold zari border in both sides. Perfect design in a perfect color with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border collection, an alluring combination, excellent color sarees. Here we have a beautiful dark blue color, something between a navy blue and royal blue color with a gold zari design, elegant one with same color blouse piece. In the whole saree, the blouse piece also have a thin 1-inch zari border, gold zari border. And here we have a beautiful dark red, almost a maroonish red color body with silver and gold zari buttas. Beautiful design, 3D type triangle design, excellently weaved sarees with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection and beautiful and alluring combination colors. A vibrant combo here, deep blue color, something between the royal blue and navy blue color, and we have a very beautiful gold zari work in the pallu. The complete saree have a thin border, 1-inch zari border, and that is there in the blouse piece as well. Blouse is in pallu color, and we have a light radiant green color, almost neon green color saree, very different color with copper and gold zari finish buttas. Buttas are very different. The zari border adds beauty to the saree. Elegant combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, beautiful color combos. Here we have a beautiful pallu, a deep blue color pallu with gold zari work, very elegant, simple work with same color blouse piece. The complete saree have a 1-inch zari border done using gold zari. And here we have a beautiful creamy tussar color, tussar half white with beautiful silver and gold zari worked buttas. Buttas are very beautiful. Excellent weaving. The color combo is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a beautiful collection, border and butta design in a very elegant combination colors. Here we have a beautiful green saree, green pallu, big butta design in the pallu, very elegant gold zari work, and the design is given in a mango shape, floral, excellent green shade color, and same green is the blouse piece with the zari borders next to the border line. And here we have a very beautiful magenta pink saree, excellent butta design, square shape, and inside the details you can see it's a horizontally done, excellent kanji type butta design with green borders as well as a gold zari border. Beautiful combination, traditional and ever lovable combination with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, border and butta collection. The very elegant square shaped buttas, completely gold zari is used for weaving here. Dark green color pallu with very big design in pallu, beautiful and excellent new launch with a pallu color blouse piece. Beautifully it is also done with the borders, and we have a dark brown color. It's almost one shade lesser than the maroon. Beautiful brown it is with the square shaped buttas. The buttas are beautifully done in a kanji pattern. Excellent weaving with green border as well as a thin gold zari border. Excellent design, beautiful color combo with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection with very beautiful classy combination here. Pista green, light green color pallu with very elegant pallu design, completely gold zari used for the pallu design weaving, and we have same color blouse piece. A pastel shade, complete saree have a small 1-inch zari border, that is gold zari border all over, and here we have a very beautiful half white mixed with mild gold color to get a goldish half white body color, pastel shade, the white lovers, and you can see the gold zari and copper zari buttas, alternatively gold and copper used for butta weaving. Buttas are in 3D type triangle shape work. Very pretty saree and beautiful goldish venpattu with authentic silk.